Hello everyone, and you're welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can customize AutoCorrect. So this AutoCorrect is a tool you want to use in Excel when you want to change abbreviations to full text or to longer phrases or to symbols automatically. It will be useful when you want to correct mistakes and errors, or when you want to just enter a short form and have a full form. Maybe you are typing a lot on that day, or you have a lot to do with Excel. Let me show you how this works in practice with this exercise. So I want, when I type OC, it should automatically give me occasion. When I type LA, it should automatically give me Lagos. And when I type GR, it should automatically give me Granite. I'll start showing you this before I actually set it up. If I type OC here, you can see it's giving me just OC. LA is giving me just LA. And GR is giving me just GR. But this is not what I want. I want to have these full forms. So to get to these full forms, I will come to File, then scroll down to More, to Options, and then come to Proofing. When I get to this proofing, I click on AutoCorrect Options. Then under this AutoCorrect Options, I now type what I want replaced, which is OC in my case. I want it replaced with occasion. Then I'll click on Add. The next thing is I want LA to be replaced with Lagos. I add it. Next, I want GR to be replaced with Granite. And then I OK it. Okay. Then what I will do now is click OK again, and then come here and try it. If I type OC here and enter, you can see it's now occasion. If I try LA, it's now Lagos. If I try GR, it's now Granite. So this is just a trick you can use even when you have a very big project to work on, and you just use the same trick. You'll be able to achieve the same purpose. I hope you were able to gain something from this video, and if you were, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.